Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary. Today, my friends at Yokem Toyota in Shreveport, Louisiana have loaned me this 2020 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro for the day. And if you are looking for a truck that has great exterior styling and great off-road capabilities, this may very well be something you should consider looking at. For 2020, here's what's new. There is an upgraded audio system that now includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The base 4.6-liter V8 is no longer available. The TRD Pro is now offered with either a double cab or Crew Max cab. So what exactly can you expect to get if you have the TRD Pro package? Here are the features you can expect. BBS forged aluminum 18-inch TRD wheels and the TRD tuned Fox shocks. TRD dual exhaust and front skid plate along with the TRD grille, TRD Pro bed stamp, and the black TRD Pro leather trimmed front bucket seats with red contrast stitching. The TRD Pro is more than capable of being successful off-road, and one of the key elements to that success is found right here under the hood. It's the 5.7-liter V8 that puts out 381 horsepower and 401 foot-pounds of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission and gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon of gas in the city and 17 out on the highway. When it comes to getting away for a long, fun weekend, the TRD Pro will definitely fill the bill and then some. I will put everything on the screen for you as far as payload, towing, and all the safety features that you're going to want to know about. It does have a dampened tailgate, as you can see here, a bed liner, and multiple tie-down points within the spacious bed. And I like the fact that more and more trucks in this day and age are putting in LED lights that shine inward into the bed so that when you're out on the trail or wherever you may be when it's dark, you're not going to have any trouble seeing your cargo to load or unload. Plus, you also have the cab light on the cab itself to shine down as well. When it comes to interior space, we'll start with the back seat. There is plentiful space for passengers and actually additional cargo depending on what your situation is. You do have plentiful space within the door bins, and if you do not have people sitting in the back seat, you can actually raise the seats themselves up to increase space by quite a large amount. When it comes to the front seat, you will find, like I said, the contrast red stitching, but it's not only on the seats themselves, it's actually throughout the interior and looks very nice. I like the way that kind of breaks up the other colors within the interior itself. You do have steering wheel mounted controls and a very easy to navigate instrument cluster. You will also find USB ports and dual zone climate control, and quite a few nooks and crannies to store things, including a little space on the top of the console. But speaking of the console, there is a reasonable amount of space inside the console, and in this particular TRD Pro Tundra, you will find a lockable safe, a nice little addition that is a nice option if your truck comes with it. In the world of off-road trucks, obviously the TRD Pro is one of the best out there. Tell me if this is something you plan to pick up and what drew your attention to it. I appreciate my friends here at Yokem Toyota for loaning me this truck for the day so I could tell you about it, and all of you for taking the time to watch. Really appreciate your time, guys, and I will see you in my next video.